Alright, Banks 101, we back live, YouTube. Alright, y'all, we just gonna do a battery cable inspection. I already took the cable off and cleaned all this crap out. It was terrible. So we took a 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter, ratchet off, whatever. I know this gonna be kind of bad, but look, y'all. See how that crusher just fell from there? Mm-hmm. Guess I caught it in time. Man, y'all, I don't know how. I told y'all it's been zero for the last 60 days. And this wasn't like this when I did this back in October, February. Damn, y'all, we caught this in time. Come ahead and clean that off. Damn, y'all, we got saved by the bell today. Yep, we got saved by the bell today on that one, y'all. Every now and then you have to go out here and just check your equipment. Make sure it's working. Alright, y'all, let me get this scrubbed off and be right back. Should have gloves on doing this too, y'all. I might have to go ahead with my file. Go ahead and knock some of this. Yeah, y'all, I guess I must have got it in for real, y'all. This look crazy. Just want to get some metal back showing y'all. These should be cleaned up. Got some stuff to put on my terminals too. I'm just showing y'all what y'all need to do. I'm gonna come back and do this, but yeah, y'all, let's get all that stuff cleaned up. Yeah, now we good to go. Pay no attention to my wiring stuff, y'all. I be thugging hard for real, but I don't have no problems. I don't have no problems, y'all. All right, y'all, we gonna go ahead and plug this back up. Back to me. Go ahead and put it back on. You don't want to over tighten it and mess up, break this piece. So just give it the nice little, give it the twist. It's tight enough. Alright, y'all. So we just improved our battery startup quality. I took this one off already, but you're gonna do the same thing as this. We seen all the black stuff, so y'all take care of your batteries, y'all.